Top of the morning, my people. How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna start to work on the front section. So we're gonna try and see if we can bring up this wall here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna set up our weeping plastic. So we finished to set up our weeping plastic now, guys. Just see what I did. I cut open here. You want to cut here, shove up your wiper barrier underneath, and then tape it up. As you see there. And everything. Gonna put a weeping hole here, guys. It's gonna be our first weeping hole. Gonna move back here. This is another weeping hole. You wanna go every 3 bricks. Every 3 bricks, and then you put a weeping hole. This is another one here. So here we're gonna remove this brick here and put it right up to this one, because we just use this temporarily, just so that we can string our line to make sure we get all our brick lined up. So now we're just gonna move this one and put a half a brick out there at the head. So as you see, we're on our first course now. We leave out every 3 brick, we leave out. This is our first course that we run. Here we'll line up this section here, run it over there with the front of the garage. So now we're just gonna continue on. So soon we're gonna build our lead, guys, but for now we're just gonna put another one here so that we can have it lined up. Yeah. bit of brick ties, guys. Nah, I tell him it's about $10, but I tell you it's a 12. And then I'll go down back, you know. Right, it doesn't look like them have a drop back to normal. I'm mid-side. You know, see the reason why board do that shouldn't go up. That tree, corona now the tree, the tree there now get corona. The tree there cut down and make good, you know. You have to buy Ghana, Papa. After I go for lunch, I go basic training. So I go for break today. I go more and do something in the road section so that we can catch it good.
¿Me puedes traer un cachitín para arriba, ¿no? Ahí, listo, bajar. Ahora decide que lo metan ya en el agujero. No. Lo saco para afuera. Ah, eso lo vamos a cortar. Y bueno, vamos a venir por a este. Sí, ¿cómo hacemos? No sé si nos va. Que venga y entre así directo. Llévalo para arriba. Listo. Sí, ahí está. Yo voy a tener que cortar. Ahora está. Está en la cama. Dale, que te pase de una. Espera.
Okay guys, there you have it. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed.